Welcome to this brief tutorial designed to help you quickly locate your WordPress admin URL. In this session, we will guide you through the simple process of accessing the dashboard of your WordPress website. The WordPress administration panel is the central hub where you can manage posts, pages, plugins, themes, and many other aspects of your online presence. To begin this process, first open your preferred web browser and carefully enter your website's address into the address bar. It is very important that you use the correct and complete web address associated with your site. Remember, the admin page is part of your website, so accuracy in typing the address is essential. Once your website loads successfully on your screen, you are ready for the next step in accessing the administrative area. Now that your website's homepage is visible, it is time to modify the URL by adding a specific set of text at the very end. For standard WordPress installations, the administration portal can be reached easily by appending the characters /wp admin to the end of your website's URL. This means you simply type the / and continue with the letters wp-admin right after your website's main address. This action directs you to the login page of your WordPress administration area. On this page, you will generally find fields where you can enter your username and password, ensuring only authorized users gain access to the inner workings of the website. It is helpful to understand why this simple addition works so well. WordPress is built with conventions and defaults in mind, and one of those defaults is assigning the WP admin endpoint for administrative tasks. This design allows website owners and administrators to quickly and predictably navigate to the site's management area without the need for complex navigation menus or additional steps. As you are now aware, the process relies solely on the conventional nature of WordPress installations. No plugins or modifications are required to access the admin page in a fresh installation. If you have previously customized your website or added security measures that change the default administration URL, then this method might not work as expected. Under such circumstances, it is advisable to refer to your website's specific documentation or contact your web host. However, for the vast majority of situations involving a standard WordPress setup, simply adding the /wp admin to your website's address is sufficient. In addition to this clear and straightforward method, it is a good idea to ensure that you are keeping your login credentials secure. Always be cautious of where and how you access your admin page, particularly when using shared or public computers. Taking the necessary security measures will help protect your website from unwanted access. That wraps up our tutorial on finding your WordPress admin URL in only a few minutes. For those interested in further information or looking into more guides, you might consider checking resources available on the domain Double. This concludes the step-by-step process to locate and access your WordPress administration area. Enjoy the ease of managing your website with confidence and clarity.